Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Enzymes and steps which are involved in the purine degradation. So the first enzyme will be the AMP dehydratase. So this reaction is from the AMP to the IMP. Then comes the adenosine deaminase. This is the adenosine to the ionosine. Sin. Then comes the 5-nucleotidase. The 5-nucleotidase is nothing but the IMP and the GMP, and this is to the inosine, and also the guanosine, respectively. Then comes the purine nucleoside phosphorylase. So here, what is the reaction in purine nucleotide phosphorylase? It is the inosine and guanine, IMG, to the hypoxanthine and the guanine, respectively. Next comes the xanthine oxidase. The xanthine oxidase, the reaction is, it is a hypoxanthine to the xanthine and the xanthine to the uric acid. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.